To make this chocolate syrup, we need half cup of sugar, half cup of cocoa powder, half cup water, and 1/4 cup of sweetened condensed milk. Now let's take a look at the recipe. In a saucepan or any thick bottom pan, add half cup of water, half cup sugar, half cup of cocoa powder. I'm using Dutch processed cocoa powder. You can use any cocoa powder. Give this a good mix till everything is well combined. Now we are going to cook this mixture, so keep the flame on medium. Once the sugar and everything melts, add half cup of sweetened condensed milk. Keep stirring the sauce. Now we are going to cook this on medium to high flame for 3 to 4 minutes. So it's been 4 minutes and you can see the sauce has thickened. Do not overcook because the sauce will become more thick once it completely cools down. Switch off the flame. I'll show you the consistency of this sauce. To check the consistency of this sauce, put a little bit on a plate. Now tilt the plate and you can see it's flowing but it's not very runny. This means the chocolate syrup or sauce has turned out perfectly well. Now let this cool completely. Once it cools down completely, I'll pour this into a cup and you'll get to see the consistency we'll get after the sauce completely cools down. This chocolate syrup has cooled down completely. I'll pour this and show you its consistency. You can see it has become thick, but at the same time it's of pouring consistency, just like the way we get in Hershey's chocolate syrup. It's beautiful. You can enjoy this chocolate sauce with anything from vanilla ice cream to your choice of cake or just anything.